Hey guys, welcome back to Cloud Pathshala. My name is Manendra Tawar and today we will discuss about Amazon CloudWatch. So you must be thinking, what is Amazon CloudWatch and how it works? What are the uses of CloudWatch? So basically, Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and management service that provides us the data and insight for our AWS services like EC2. We can use it for our on-prem servers as well, and we can use it for another cloud servers as well. Using CloudWatch, we can enable the additional monitoring for our instances. You must have seen in our EC2, we can monitor the CPU utilization of our instances, right? But using CloudWatch Agent, we can enable additional parameters of monitoring like memory monitoring and disk monitoring as well. And there are several methods to install or to configure CloudWatch Agent in our instances. Like we can manually download it or configure it in our instances. Or if our instance is a managed instance, that means a SSM agent is already installed in our instances, then we can use run command to configure the CloudWatch agent. And make sure CloudWatch IAM role is attached with your instance to use CloudWatch. In this video, we will watch all the steps to install or configure the CloudWatch agent in our instances and how we can configure the alerts for same. So let's get started. First of all, log in into the console. I'll create two VMs so we can see both the examples, how we can install it manually and how we can install it using run command. I'll create one Windows instance and another one is Linux. So we can test on both OS. Create it. So this is for Windows VM. Let's create one Linux instance as well. So the creation will take some time. Meanwhile, we can create a IAM role for CloudWatch, right? Let's go to the IAM. So we will create a role now. So we have to select AWS service for which we are creating this role. I'm selecting EC2 because we are creating the role for EC2. First, you have to search here CloudWatch. So you have to mark on CloudWatch agent server policy. You have to add this one and another one you can add, that is a SSM managed instance. So you have to type SSM managed and search. The first one you have to select. Now we have selected two roles. You have to give the name. Okay. Now I'm giving a CloudWatch and SSM. Let's create it. Okay, our role has been created. Let's go back to EC2. You can see our Windows instance is ready. So let's connect with Windows instance and we will try to install CloudWatch Agent. Okay, this is our instance. But before installing the CloudWatch Agent, we need to attach the IAM role on that. I'm attaching the same role. This one we have created, CloudWatch and SSM role, attached with one instance. Now the second one. The second one I have attached. Okay, now we have attached the IAM role in both the instances. Now the next step is to install the CloudWatch agent in both the instances, right? Let's see. This is our instance. Now we have to download the agent first. So here you have to type CloudWatch Agent for Windows. Click on first link. Now you will get the link to download the agent. Here you can see the platform list. We have to use the link for Windows because we are using Windows Server. Now this is the link for Windows Server. Copy it and paste it in browser. Okay, our agent has been downloaded. Let's run the file. Now let's check the services to make sure if our CloudWatch agent is running or not. So here you can see our CloudWatch agent is in running state. Once it is installed, you can see the metrics under CloudWatch. It will generate a matrix with the name of CW agent. Here you can see this is our Windows Test 01 server. If you want to configure the alert for this server, you have to go to graph matrix and select your instance. One is for memory and another one is for disk. Suppose if you want to configure the alert for memory matrix, you just have to click on this bell icon and you have to fill all the details. You can mention the threshold. Now the next thing is you want this alert on your email. So how you can get that? You have to configure the notification for the same. If you have an existing SNS topic, you can use the same. If you want to create a new topic, you can create with a new email ID as well. Here you can create. Now we are all set to get all the alerts and notification for this. And we are done. Next is our CloudWatch agent installation on Linux machine using run command. So to use run command, it is mandatory that our instance is under SSM or is a managed instance. Let's check SSM if our instance is under SSM or not. You can see our instance is already there because I have already attached the IAM role for SSM as well. Now let's see how we can install or how we can configure a CloudWatch agent using run command. Here you have to press run command. Now configure. So you have to select the first one, configure AWS package. Here you have to select install. Now you have to give the name of the package. Select the instance on which you want to install it. So we have to install it on Linux instance. I don't want the logs. Let's run the command. So it will take some time and it will give the output as well. Either it was success or fail. You can see we get the result of the command, that is success. Now the agent is installed. We can start or stop the agent using run command in our instances. Now CloudWatch is installed. You have to type CloudWatch and select Amazon CloudWatch Manage Agent. Here we can select some commands like configure, start, stop. We can do that from here. Okay. Select the instance. Again, we have to select the Linux instance on which we need to start the agent. Then run. Refresh it. Now the result is success. You can check the output as well. has already been started. Now our agent has been started. Let's go to CloudWatch and see if our EC2 is there or not. Let's check the metrics. Here we have to go in CW agent metrics, that is CloudWatch agent metrics. Here you can see our instance is there. We can monitor the memory usage of the instance. And same way we can configure the alerts as well. If you want to configure the alerts, you have to hit the bell icon and fill all the details and you are all set to get the alerts. That's all for today's video. See you in next video with new topic. Please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thank you guys.